Paying your credit card with Aeroplan points is not a direct feature offered by Aeroplan. However, you can use your Aeroplan points in ways that might indirectly offset your credit card expenses. Here's how you can do it. Redeem points for travel expenses. Use Aeroplan points to book flights, hotel stays, car rentals, or other travel-related expenses. This can free up cash that you would have otherwise spent on these items, allowing you to allocate those savings towards your credit card payments. Redeem points for gift cards. Aeroplan allows you to redeem points for gift cards to various retailers and services. Purchase gift cards for stores where you regularly spend money, then use the cash you save to pay off your credit card balance. Aeroplan eStore. Shop through the Aeroplan eStore to earn extra points on purchases. While this doesn't directly pay your credit card bill, it increases your points balance, allowing you to save more on travel and other redemptions. Use points for statement credits. Some financial institutions may allow you to convert Aeroplan points to statement credits through special promotions or partnerships. Check with your credit card issuer to see if this option is available. Monitor promotions. Keep an eye out for special offers or promotions that might allow you to use Aeroplan points more flexibly.